Hello everyone, I am Thoufeeq from class 10. In this session, let's learn about cone and frustum. Let's get into the concept. Now let us see formulas based on cone and frustum. First, cone. So this is the diagram of the cone where H represents the height, R represents the radius, and L represents the slant height. Real life examples of cone are the tip of the pencil and the cone of the ice cream and the birthday cap which we used to wear on the birthday. So the formula for cone is total surface area is equal to pi RL plus pi R square, which is also equal to pi R into L plus R. Curved surface area is equal to pi RL. Volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi R square H. Slant height, we use this formula to find out L is equal to whole root of H square plus R square. So now let's go to frustum. So when the cone is divided into two halves, we will get the frustum. So the bottom part of the frustum is the bottom of part of the cone is the frustum. So the real life example of frustum are table lamp, bucket and tumbler. So the formula for frustum of cone is total surface area is equal to pi L into R1 plus R2. Here R1 and R2 represents the radius. In the frustum we have two radius. One is the top radius and the bottom radius. So that's what the here the given. So pi and total surface area is equal to pi L into R1 plus R2 plus pi R1 square plus pi R2 the whole pi R2 square. So curved surface area is equal to pi L into R1 plus R2. Volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi H R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2. So L is equal to slant height is equal to whole root of H square plus R1 minus R2 the whole square. And now let's see model problem mapping based on the cone and frustum. So the left side of the model problem mapping is the cone and the right side of the model problem mapping is frustum. So node 1 we will get given is H is equal to 3.25 centimeter and the radius is 2.5 centimeter. Now we have to find CSA and the slant height. So the formula to find CSA is pi RL and the formula to find slant height is whole root of H square plus R square. Now let's see node 2. So in this node, the given is slant height is equal to 5.3 meter and the radius is equal to 2 meter. So the cost of canvas per meter square is rupees 250. Now we have to find the TSA and the cost of total meter square. So the formula to find TSA is pi R into L plus R. So the to find the cost of total meter square is we want to multiply the whole TSA into 250. So we'll get the cost of total meter square. Now node 3. So in node 3 they have given that height is equal to 4 meter and radius is equal to 2 meter. Total number of tent volume is equal to 67.04 meter square. Now we have to find the volume and the number of tents. We use the formula that and we know the formula of volume of cone which is 1 by 3 pi R square S. So we will use the volume. So we will use this formula. So in number of 10 we have to divide the whole volume divided by 4 and we will get the number of tent. So now let's go to node 4 which is frustum of cone. So in the frustum in the node 4 we have given that height is equal to 7 centimeter and the R1 is equal to 4 centimeter which is the top radius and the R2 is equal to 2 centimeter which is equal to bottom radius. Now we have to find the slant height and the curved surface area of frustum. So the formula used for calculating slant height of the frustum is whole root of H square plus R1 minus R2 the whole square, and the formula used for calculating the CSA of the frustum is pi L into R1 plus R2. So now let's go to node 5. So in that given is diameter 1 is equal to 6 centimeter and the R2 is equal to 1 centimeter. Slant height is 7.81. We have to find first TSA. So in the node 5 they have given that D1 is equal to 6 centimeter and radius R2 is equal to 1 centimeter and the slant height is 7.81. Now we have to find the TSA. So the formula used for calculating the TSA of a frustum is pi L into R1 plus R2 plus pi R1 square plus pi R2 square. So now let's go to node 6. So given is R1 is equal to 6 centimeter, R2 is equal to 4 centimeter and the height is 10 centimeter. Now we have to find the volume of frustum. So the formula used for calculating the volume of frustum is 1 by 3 pi H into r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 into r2. Now let's see each sum as an example which I have given in the model problem mapping. So the node 1 and the question is, a birthday cap is in the shape of a cone whose height is 3.25 centimeter and radius is 2.5 centimeter. Find its curved surface area and slant height of the cone. First, we should write what they are the given in the question. So the given is height of the cone is equal to 3.25 centimeter and the radius of the cone is 2.5 centimeter, and this is the reference diagram of that question. So next we have to do the reference diagram. Next, third, we have to write what should be the find out. So here they have asked to find out the curved surface area and the slant height of the cone. So fourth, we should write what are the formula we are going to use in this sum. So the formula to be used in this sum are, and to find CSA we use the formula pi RL, and to find slant height we use the formula whole root of h square plus r square. Now let's work one by one. To find out CSA, we should find out L first. So to find out CSA pi RL, we should find we know the value of pi is equal to 22 by 7, r is equal to 2.5, and h is equal to 3.25. We want to find the value of L first. So L is equal to whole root of h square plus r square. So height is the 3.25 centimeter and the radius is 2.5 centimeter. When we substitute in the slant height formula, we will get 3.25 the whole square plus 2.5 the whole square. So whole root of, and 3.25 into 3.25 is 10.56, and 2.5 into 2.5 is 6.25. So when we add 10.56 plus 6.25, we will get 16.81. So the whole root of 16.81 is 4.1 centimeter. Now we have to find the CSA of a cone. So the CSA of a cone formula is pi RL. When you substitute the values in this formula, we will get, so pi value is 22 by 7, r value is 2.5, and the slant height L is equal to 4.1 centimeter. When we multiply this 22 by 7 into 2.5 into 4.1, we will get 22 by 7 into 10.25. So 22 into 10.25 will get 225.5 divided by 7. So when we divide, we will get CSA as 32.21 centimeter. At last answer is, curved surface area is 32.21 centimeter square and the slant height is 4.1 centimeter. Now let's see another example which I given in note 2. The slant height of a canvas is given as 5.3 meter and the radius of canvas is 2 meter. What will be the total cost of the canvas if the cost of canvas per meter square is rupees 250? So first as I have said in before question, first we should write what are the given. So for given is the slant height L is equal to 5.3 meter, radius R is equal to 2 meter, cost per meter square is rupees 250. So second, I have drawn the reference diagram of that question. So third, I have given what should be find out. So first, TSA of a cone, and the second, cost of canvas. So the formula we are going to use in this question is TSA of a cone is equal to pi r into L plus r. So substitution, what are the value I am going to substitute is substitution. So r is equal to 2 meter and L is equal to 5.3 meter. So when we substitute in this formula, we will get, so working I have given in the working. So TSA is equal to pi r into L plus r. So when we substitute 22 by 7 into 2 into 5.3 plus 2, so 5.3 plus 2 is 7.3. So 22 by 7 into 2 into 7.3. So when we multiply 7.3 into 2, we will get 14.6. So 22 by 7 into 14.6 and the whole divided by 7. When we multiply 22 into 14.6, we will get 321.2 whole divided by 7. So when we divide, we will get TSA as 45.88 meter square. So we have found the TSA. Now we have to find the cost of the canvas. So in the given, they have given that cost per meter square is rupees 250. So the cost of 45.88 meter square is equal to 250 into 45 rupees 250 into 45.88. When we multiply this, we will get cost of canvas is equal to rupees 11,470. So the answer is total surface area of cone is 45.88 meters square and the cost of canvas is rupees 11,470. Let's see another example as I have given in MPM in note 3. So the question is, students are asked to make tents height of tent is 4 meter and the radius is 2 meter. Now teacher said that the volume of all the tents is 67.04 centimeter cube. We have to find the volume of one tent and the total number of tents. So first we have to write what are the given. So the given is height of the cone is 4 meter, radius of the cone is 2 meter, volume of 4 tent is 67.04 centimeter cube, and I have drawn the reference diagram. So we have to kind what should be find out. So we should find out the volume of one tent and the total number of tent. So the formula which we are going to use in this question is 1 by 3 pi r square, which is equal to volume. So substitution is h is equal to 4 meter and the r is equal to 2 meter. When we do calculation, we will get 1 by 3. When we substitute the values, we will get 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 2 into 2 into 4. And when we multiply this, we will get 22 into 2 into 2 into 4 whole divided by 21. So 2 into 2 into 4, 2 into 2 is 4 and the 4 into 4 is 16. So 22 into 16 whole divided by 21. When we divide, we will get 16.76 centimeter. So now the formula to find the number of tent is whole volume divided by volume of one tent. So whole volume is 67.04 meter cube and the volume of one tent is 16.76 meter cube. So when we divide this, we will get number of tent is 4. So the final answer is volume of one tent is 16.76 centimeter cube and the number of tent is 4. Now let's see another example as I have given in MPM in node 4. So the question is, a tumbler is in the shape of a frustum of cone whose height is 7 centimeter and top radius is 4 centimeter and the bottom radius is 2 centimeter. Find its slant height and curved surface area of frustum. So first we should write what are the given. So given height is 7 centimeter, top radius is r1 is equal to 4 centimeter and the bottom radius r2 is equal to 2 centimeter, and I have drawn the reference diagram. Now we have to write what should be find out. So first we should find out the slant height and the second we should find out the curved surface area. So the formula we are going to find slant height is whole root of h square plus r1 minus r2 the whole square, and the formula which we used for finding curved surface area is pi l into r1 plus r2. So substitution. So these are the values we are going to substitute in this formula in this question. So h is equal to 7 centimeter, r1 is equal to 4 centimeter, r2 is 2 centimeter. So when first we should find what is L. So L is slant height. So L is equal to whole root of 7 the whole square plus 4 minus 2 the whole square, which is r1 minus r2 the whole square. 7 the whole square will get 49 and 4 minus 2 the whole square will get 4. So whole root of 49 plus 4. So when we add, we will get L is equal to whole root of 53. So the whole root of 53 is L is whole root of 53 is 7.2 centimeter. So the slant height is 7.2 centimeter. Now we have got the slant height. Now we want to find the curved surface area. The formula used for finding curved surface area of frustum of cone is pi l into r1 plus r2. When we substitute these numbers, we will get 22 by 7 into 7.2 into 4 plus 2. So the 4 plus 2 is 6. So 22 by 7 into 7.2 into 6. So 7.2 into 6 is 43.2. So 22 by 7 into 43.2 whole divided by 7. So 22 into 43.2 whole divided by 7 is 950.4 whole divided by 7. When we divide this, we will get curved surface area is 135.77 centimeter square. So the answer is slant height is 7.2 centimeter and the curved surface area is 135.77 centimeter square. Now let's see another example as I given in MPM in node 5. So the question is, a solid is in the shape of a frustum of cone whose top diameter is 6 centimeter, bottom radius is 1 centimeter and slant height is 7.81 centimeter. Now we have to find the total surface area. So first we should write the given. So diameter d1 is equal to 6 centimeter and the radius is diameter divided by 2, which is 6 by 2 is equal to 3 centimeter, and the r2 is equal to 1 centimeter. So L slant height is 7.81 centimeter, and this is the reference diagram of that question. So now we have to find out the TSA of a frustum of cone. So the formula to find the TSA is pi L into r1 plus r2 plus pi r1 square plus pi r2 square. So these are the substitution I'm going to do in this problem. So pi value is 22/7 and slant height is equal to 7.81, r1 is equal to 3 centimeter and r2 is 1 centimeter. So when we substitute these values in the TSA formula, we'll get 22/7 into 7.81 into 3 plus 1 plus 22/7 into 3 the whole square plus 22/7 into 1 the whole square. We'll get 22/7 into 7.81 into 4 plus 22/7 into 9 plus 22/7 into 1. So next 22/7 into 7.81 into 4 is 31.24. So 22/7 into 31.24 plus 122 into 9 is 198 and 22 into 1 is 22. So 198/7 plus 22/7. So 22/7 into 31.24 plus when we add 198 plus 22 will get 220/7. So 22 into 31.24 is 687.28 divided by 7 plus 220 divided by 7. When we add 687.28 when we add 687.28 and 220 will get 907.28 whole divided by 7. So when we divide we will get 129.611 centimeter square. So therefore the final answer is total surface area of frustum is 129.611 centimeter square. Now let's see another example as I given in MPM in note 6. So a solid is in the shape of a frustum of cone whose top radius is 6 centimeter and bottom radius is 4 centimeter and the height of the frustum is 10 centimeter. We have to find the volume of the frustum. So first we should write what are the given. So R1 is equal to 6 centimeter, R2 is equal to 4 centimeter and the height of the frustum is 10 centimeter. So I have drawn the reference diagram of this question. So now we have to find out the volume of frustum in this question. So the formula used to find the volume of frustum in this question is 1/3 pi h into r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 into r2. So these values I am going to substitute in the formula. Pi is equal to 22/7, r1 is equal to 6 centimeter, r2 is equal to 4 centimeter and the height is 10 centimeter. So let's work on the sum. So when we substitute these values, we will get 1/3 into 22/7 into 10 into 16 the whole square plus 6 the whole square plus 4 the whole square plus 6 into 4. So the 6 and when we multiply 22 into 10 by 3 into 7 we will get 220/21. So 60 whole square is 36 and 4 the whole square is 16 and 6 into 4 is 24. So when we add this 36 plus 16 plus 24 we will get 76. So 220 into 76 whole divided by 21. So when we multiply 220 into 76 we will get 16,720 whole divided by 21. So when we divide this we will get volume as 796.19 centimeter cube. So the final answer of this question is volume of frustum is equal to 796.19 centimeter cube. I have taken this reference from Max NCERT textbook class 10 CBSE and from our website saitechinfo.net and State Board Max textbook class 10. Thank you for watching my video.